Hi everyone, this is Kate here and I welcome you to our YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find a random live videos on Instagram. So make sure to stick till the end and follow the procedure step by step. So without further ado, let's start. In order to watch other live videos on Instagram, there is a small trick. So for that, just open your Instagram app on your device. Now all you have to do is go to live from your account for a short period of time. For that, at the bottom of your screen, you will see an icon with plus. Now when you scroll the bottom of your screen, you will see an option that says live. So here you have to go live for a few seconds. For that, just tap on the bottom that you will see. Now we are going live for a few seconds. Share your live to any one of your friends. Now go to your chat by clicking on the chat icon at the top right corner. After that, open the chat box that you have recently shared your live to. Here you can see that you have recently shared live to this account. Tap on watch live video. Now after the video ends, you will see something like this. Then simply tap on see all option, and here you will be able to see other people who are currently live on Instagram. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, please make sure to subscribe our channel, hit the notification bell icon and stay tuned for more tutorials. And thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.